Here's my current desk setup. I want to switch things up and create a new setup. After watching tons of custom keyboard videos, I decided to build one myself. Let's go! First, I'll assemble the keyboard frame. Next, I'll attach the glass panels around the sides and back of the keyboard. Install the volume control knob. Then, I'll install my favorite switches onto the keyboard. Finally, I'll add some beautiful keycaps to complete the setup. I did it! I built a new keyboard. Next, I'll add a few little extras to my desk. For example, an ambient light. Or maybe, a new switch tester. Now it's time for the star of the show. Let's light it up. Here's how my final desk setup looks.